Hey guys, today I thought it would be kind of fun to do an unboxing video. So, I got a new laptop. This is the Omen by HP, and it's pretty cool. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna need a knife. Alright, so first gotta get the trusty knife out. Aha. Cut through some tape. And away we go. The box is pretty padded. Looks like they kept everything together. I want to show y'all kind of what this looks like. So I'm going to grab the camera and do this. Case has a nice little place for the computer to go and just a little packing thing here. Very ominous. Get it? Okay. Alright, factory sealed. So I had another computer before this. But when my Mac died, I bought a Dell computer, and it was just not the right computer. It was overheating when I was editing. So I went back and spent the extra money and decided budgets don't matter, and I can get out of debt when I work at it. So the packing's weird because the shape of the laptop's kind of interesting. It's not just your typical square. This is what it looks like. It's got this cool little logo at the top. It looks like this closed. It's pretty heavy. I'm actually surprised at how heavy it is. Looks like it's got proper stuff going on here. I'm guessing it's gonna vent pretty well, and it's gonna also have some decent speakers. Alright, so that's the laptop. It, of course, comes with this gigantic power supply. Maybe it's not that huge, but you get the point. It's pretty big. And then, of course, the rest of the power supply. And it's all wrapped for your safety, I guess. A little instruction manual. It says Omen. Just tells you what everything is and how to use it and whatnot. There we go. The Omen. So let's see what it looks like when you open it up. Okay, so I put a nice piece of cloth to keep it protected. Keyboard. And here's what it looks like. Very cool design. The screen connects to everything else with just this little part right here. Almost like it has a neck and a head. So that's pretty cool. Keyboard keys are fairly large size, a pretty good size. They've got interesting things marked out, I guess, to let you know what are gaming controls or something. WASD they have squares around just those letters, so I'm guessing that's for some sort of control or shortcut thing going on. It's pretty cool. Looks like it's got proper ventilation on the back right here. Looks like the speakers down there are gonna be pretty cool. Now let's try it out. Let me get this power supply opened up so I can plug it in. And I plan to edit this video on the Omen, so that'll be pretty cool too. Alright, cellophane wrap on that. Nice little power supply. Looks like a decent amount of cable. We'll see how long that is. Put it all together, and we'll see what happens. This is pretty cool, guys. Keyboard lights up. It's got a red, a green, and a blue display. Then we've got the ominous screen loading up slowly. Nice little logo in the middle. Alright guys, I'm just going to be setting this up. So thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. If you have any questions, let me know down below, and I'll talk to you guys later.